After the construction of irrigation projects, small, medium or big, the main problem is to manage the water effectively in order to get the maximum water utilization in the projects. Maintenance of dams and canals and proper allocation of water, proper distribution, equitable distribution of water, and conflict management among farmers and engineers are the main three important issues that bother the irrigation system throughout the world. That's why a sociological outlook is essential to understand the situation of irrigation systems and water management issues. A scientific approach suggests the study of other related subjects like irrigation sociology, agronomy, economics, in addition to the engineering or technical skills. Irrigation engineering of late, the engineers working in irrigation department are being trained in irrigation sociology in order to get the capacity to work with the farmers and get the cooperation. Irrigation sociology insists an active participation of farmers, and farmers' participation is possible through farmers' organizations or what we call water user associations or committees. With initiative and financial support of the international institutes like World Bank, of late, most of the states in India have formed the farmers' organizations in this direction. But the fact is that major problem that farmers' organizations are facing now is the interference of politics outside and political parties, including the unwanted influence. Sociology is a science of society, and the study of it connected with the irrigation society is called irrigation sociology. Applied sociology and social engineering plays its role to get a favorable irrigation behavior from engineers and farmers. System users like farming community and system builders like engineers and managers, with their ever-changing actions, interactions, interrelations, provide a challenging job to the irrigation experts to deal with problems of the system. Engineering is an application of science to the real life problems. And irrigation engineering deal with the construction of dams and canals, of which the components of physical structure are sand, stone, bricks, cement, concrete and steel. This is the physical structure, whereas the social structure of the irrigation system are the millions and millions of farmers and engineers and managers with their actions, attitudes, behaviors, habits influence the system and its working. Now the question is as to how a century-old, more than century-old irrigation system in India survived without sociology and training activities. The answer is most of those engineers and managers in olden days were sincere and sympathetic to the farming community and the rural system. That is now a missing link in the chain. To move with the required change in situation, stakeholders like farmers and the engineers must have a consistent, need-based and vigorous, well-planned training programs throughout their service in order to work in a better way. As per the international irrigation experts, training experts, irrigation system should have an annual budget of not less than 25% for training activities, because it's very, very important factor to make the departments work better. In this direction, structural, they must give an importance, equal importance or more than equal importance to the software, that is for awareness, creating awareness, motivation and training. Let us hope the best.